I bought another My Arcade thing. After the one that Fanuc sent me in this video here, I saw this one on eBay as untested, and I thought, I wonder if it's got the same problem. Because obviously, untested, we all know what that means. So, let's test it and see if it does have the same problem. Oh, I hadn't noticed that before. I think this has been a part. Yes. Oops. Okay. Let's pop batteries in, see what's going on. Nice. Right, power. Oh, it's already on. Oh, okay. So this one has no power. No, it's doing nothing. So that is presumably why somebody has... I mean, I don't know whether they have opened it up. It doesn't look like that side's been peeled back unless they've just done a better job of peeling back that side, but that's a bit of a mess. Anyway, right, well, let's see if we can get into this. And we'll see if we can figure out what's going on.
Another quick one, we getting faster. Ed McLaughlin Webb, Lord, is this a disaster? We got signs, Brian Mitchell, a Brian Repair. Steve the Stove, cool, there's someone being in there. Lee Benz, Dr. Princess Wizard, you'll see. They tried to fix it before, free OTV. So Christopher Shaw and Sigma 4. Let's see what they did and fix it and more. HHG, Victor K, Steve the Panic Kid, Hakes, Black Country Man, Dr. Tom O'Keefe sucks. Scott made a thing, click to Kev, Michael Biggie. My Nerd Cave, Sarah Cat, get the money. Ultra Silver 64, Emma Westwood Flux. Charge None, Jump Shake, Andy Banks. Now see the Mouse, Jonathan Harden, Crank, Nate Lucas, and Larry W. Big thanks. Peace.
So there's no speaker in it. It's been cut off. Ah, and that looks... And that... Yeah, that's damaged there. Right, best guess. Someone... The speaker was blown on this. Someone opened it to try to change the speaker, removed the speaker, damaged the ribbon cable, gave up, sold it to me on eBay as untested. I think that's exactly what's happened here. Okay, I wonder if that's going to be the only problem with this then. Let's start by repairing that damage there, and then we'll see if it actually comes on, and then we'll worry about finding a replacement speaker. Is it meant to be twisted like that? I'm guessing it is. Not great, is it? How am I going to do this? I have to desolder this. Right, I think the easiest thing is to be, just completely desolder it, and then I just need to remember which way around it goes, don't I? Let me mark it. I'm just going to put a mark on this side of the ribbon cable, and on the board there. There. I should, hopefully, make sure that I get that in the right way. Right, let's desolder it. Some funky glue or something. Yep, lovely. Okay, I'm going to get this under the microscope because I think there's still some bits of this ribbon cable left in there, so I need to get those out. And I'm also going to have to trim this down and expose some more of the wire. It is going to shorten it. Just going to add some leaded solder to it first. Oh, they're still there. Held in by the glue, presumably. Okay, I think we're good. Let's clean it up a bit. With some isopropyl alcohol, 99.9%. Hopefully I've still got the mark on the board. Yes, I do. Right, excellent. Okay, where are we? There we are. We've got the 5, yes we do. Right. Quite awkward to get lined up. Have I got it? I think I've got it. Ow. Here's me thinking this would be really easy. I'm I'm just making a complete mess of it. Let me get a clamp or something to help me hold it steady. There. Now it's going to be easier, Steve. Why didn't you do that to start with? I'm not convinced that's very good. Let's clean it up and see what it looks like. Actually not bad, it's just the bits of glue don't really help. There, that's a bit better. Okay, quite happy with that. Let's turn it over, just make sure that we're good on the other side. I'm going to put a blob of glue on here, like it was. Just get a cotton bud and just dry that up a bit. Let's get the hot snot machine on. Hot snot machine, armed and ready. Lovely. Okay, right, let's see if that comes on now, because if it does, then I can have a look at the speaker. I do need to reconnect these wires first. Let's pop the batteries back in. And, oh, I can see light. Yes. Yes, it's coming on. Excellent, right, okay. That must be in the on position then. Yes, right, that's gone off. Excellent. Speaker. Who cuts a speaker out? Like, surely it would have been easier to desolder the speaker, and then you could reuse the wires. Now, they're probably not going to be long enough. Well, they're definitely not going to be long enough, are they? Right, I have a speaker here, which I have no idea where it came from, but it looks like it will fit in there. And it's still got a little bit of adhesive on, so let me, for now, just not finish my sentences again, like usual. Temporarily put it in, is what I wanted to say. And the reason I'm doing that is because it might not be the problem. Maybe this had no sound and the person trying to fix it assumed it was a speaker, but it might not have been. Okay. It's not made any sound yet. I'm going to put this fully back together. I need to put the speaker in properly first. So let's do just that. I've just noticed that looks like it's melted there. I'm pretty sure I didn't do that. I don't know. It looks weird. No, that's nowhere near where I was doing stuff, was it? Anyway, carry on, Steve. Right, that side has gone back on very nicely. You can barely tell that that's been peeled back. This side is going to look a mess. And I think it's because this has gone see-through here. So you can see the screw hole through it. I mean, I could potentially glue it, but you're still going to see those bits. That one is okay. Maybe if I just put a little piece of white sticker or something over it, and then just try and glue it around the edges. Let's try that. Let's put the screws in first. Okay, let's see what we can do. Oh yeah, that's much better. And then this small piece for here. And I think I'm just going to put this around the edge. This is very thin mobile phone sealing tape, I think. But if I put a very thin line all the way down there, let's give it a go. It looks a damn sight better than it did. I'm reasonably happy with that. Right, now the ultimate test. Does it work? I hear you ask. Let's power it on. Press start. Nice. Okay, let's go. How do you drop it? Oh, what did that do? Oh, the music's funky. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh, no, I can't do it. Stupid game.
You're losing.